everybody. It's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I want to talk to you more about Chapter 3 concepts, especially when we have a binomial to the second power. Okay, now it's a binomial because there's a minus sign in there. We have two different terms. We call it a binomial, two different terms. You cannot do a shortcut here. You have to expand it and then multiply. And that's what I mean by expanding. Now you can use the box or foil. I teach the box method. We draw our box. This will be our length. That will be our width. Okay, and now we multiply what's inside. X times x, negative 2 times x. Can you see that x right there? Negative 2 times negative 2, x times negative 2. Okay, now let's look for some common terms or like terms. That's negative 2x and negative 2x. They will combine. So right here, that's our answer. We call that the sum. Now, what was the product? Well, that was the original problem. And you can write it either way. I'm going to do it this way. Okay? Thank you.